first International Space Station is completed, mission control in Houston awakened the astronauts on board Shuttle for the afternoon to remind her of the silent highlight of their mission.
Good morning, sunshine.
But the origin of the studio satellite called Starshine was unrelated to the first day. This job for Commander Ken Rominger, pilot Greg Hudson, and flight engineer Helen Ochoa was the checkout of the shuttle's flight control surfaces, used to maneuver the orbiter as it glides to the landing. Then they moved on to the hot fire test of Discovery's reaction control system jets. Both routine pre-landing tests were successful. Assured that orbiter systems were in good shape, the astronauts began to pack up for the trip back to Earth. Mission specialists Sammy Jernigan and Larry Tokarev concentrated on stowing items in the double spacecraft module in the payload bay, while Hudson and mission specialist Dan Barry cleaned up Discovery's crew cabin. And just before the 7 astronauts gathered to review pre-landing checklists, spacecraft communicator Susan Kilrain relayed mission control entry strategy to Rominger.
The orbit opportunity tomorrow will be Rad 153 and Rad 154 to KSC. We do not plan to call up Edwards. Tomorrow, the weather concerns at KSC are a chance of showers within 30 nautical miles and crosswinds right at the 12-mile limit. We expect the weather to get worse at KSC on the following days. Edwards will probably be called up for Inhibition +1 with possible crosswind concerns.
Okay, we got it all.
And we're hoping that the showers will either be outside 30 or at least over the water and not going towards land, but we're going to be keeping an eye on it. We expect our upper level winds to be light, and that's about all we have for weather for now.
After lunch, some of the astronauts went back to stowing items in the crew cabin and the spacecraft module. Others prepared to deploy Starshine, a 19-inch diameter aluminum sphere covered with almost 900 mirrors, hand-polished by students from around the world. Those mirrors will reflect sunlight and make the satellite visible with the naked eye to observers on the ground. Students will track the satellite during its projected 6-month life on orbit, predicting its orbital path and ultimate demise. The prize will be awarded for the best photograph of Starshine's entry into the atmosphere. Early Saturday morning, spacecraft communicator Robert Kirby gave mission specialist Julie Payette the word that all on the ground were ready to proceed.
The Discovery Houston is you will have a go for deploy on time. We'll show you about 9 minutes from deploy.
Copy, alright, deploy, that's 31.
As Discovery flew above the Indian Ocean and out of contact with the ground, Payette threw the switches to eject the satellite from its payload bay canister. She later reported to mission control.
Discovery Houston back with you on the west. How did they go?
Good morning, Starshine. It's all good. It's a fantastic start to reflecting all stuff like that flickering of the glass. The whole project money was coming out of the box to see the satellite might want to just a reflection of the sun. And then flickering and then the bomb to point up and shot almost vertically away from the orbit of Bumblebee. And we know about the character is best when it's starts disappearing below us. So we continue our job for the longest time because it's turned into a flash. It's beautiful.
After completing a series of communications checks, the astronauts finished the day's packing and prepared for an 8-hour sleep period. They're due to get up Saturday afternoon to make final preparations for a scheduled night landing early Sunday at the Kennedy Space Center to conclude the first Space Shuttle mission of the year.